Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Let's try to do some core plus lower back for today. Sit down, legs square a little bit. I will move a little bit forward. We'll start something very simple, just lower first. You'll rotate your pelvis towards the floor really slow. Yes. And then back. Rotate and down. Breathe. 2, 3. Very slow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Then from our arms, moving slowly towards the left and then right. Keep your low back straight and hold. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Slowly rotate your pelvis towards the floor. Good. Raise your legs. Hold. Arms up. Point your toes if you can. If you cannot, just bring them how you can. Then your arms goes back and your left leg go forward and back. Engage your core and lower back. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Legs on the ground. Raise your upper body. Arms up. Breathe. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your arms towards the side and slowly rotate your pelvis. Lie down. 3, 2, 1. Raise your legs off the ground. Point your toes. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we'll open the side but straight forward at the same time. And back to the middle. 2, 3. To engage your lower back and core. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend slowly back. Heels on the ground. Relax fully. Breathe 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your arms behind your head. We'll raise just our upper body. Rotate your pelvis, engage your core and lower back. Raise just your thoracic spine. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your arms towards the side. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight leg forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch left. Go straight forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Release. Relax your neck, upper body. Inhale deep and then exhale. One more deep inhale. Good. Straight legs up in front of you. Hold. Raise your neck. Arms. Arms goes behind the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Last one. Bring your heels on the ground. Rotate your pelvis. Raise your butt off the ground. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Good job. Slowly stand up. Knees on the ground. We go down facing dog. Nice and easy. Flex. Stretch your legs. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then bend your elbows towards the side. Slowly slide forward to upper facing dog. Exhale, breathe. 3, 2, 1, and back. Awesome. Good job. Thank you. It was nice and easy. It was simple, I think. Take care of your abs, core. Take care of your life. Stay healthy. Peace.